Hey guys, so I just wanted to do a quick video demonstration on this oil heater. I really like this product. It's the second one that I purchased. If you're doing something like a home remodeling, it's really reliable for heating a pretty decent space. It's also super quiet, so if you have an infant or if you don't like noise when you sleep, it's nice for that reason. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is here on the base, there's the option to either have just the feetsies flat so it stays in place on your floor, or you can pop it out and put on these little wheels and that makes it mobile. Sit down here for a second. All right, and then it gets pretty hot, but you won't burn yourself or anything. This casing protects it. The majority of the coil does run down the center in here. I don't know how well you can see that, but it should be child friendly. When it's plugged in, you'll see the little red light on your display. We're gonna turn this on. The maximum temperature that it goes to is 95 degrees. And there's a couple different modes here. So if you press that center button, that turns on and off the eco mode. And what that does is, rather than maintaining a continuous temperature of just keeping the device running, it'll bring you to your desired temperature, and then it will turn off until it needs to heat back up again. I'm not sure if that makes sense, but you also have a timer option here, and then this is just for adjusting your temperature. I don't know if I said this, but it goes up to 95 degrees. And then that beeping, which is a little bit annoying, you can press this button here, and now when you adjust it, it's silent. The only thing I don't like about it is that the cord is on the front. I'm not sure why they did that, because it does need to face the display to control it. Like you'll see if I point from the back, it doesn't work. So that's just one thing I would have changed about it. And then there is like a little, I don't want to call it like a handle, but a little thing that you can kind of like pull it around. So sturdy product, reliable, does a good job, nice and quiet, 5 out of 5 stars.
Make sure you use this in a small space, because it can't go, it doesn't heat the whole room. I mean, it heats the whole room, but only the room you're in if you close the door. It does not have this wide range like the picture shows you before you buy it at all. And the heat really mainly just comes from up here. So how did they figure that way? Heat this large range, and that's the reason I bought it, so I can heat a large range of my house? No, we have to keep it in one room. It heats up that one room pretty well, but if you're buying it to heat up a large space, don't waste your money.